This is a desktop that I was doing in Inlay, and this is just 4 pieces of wood that overlap, and I wanted it to be a basket weave, so they went over one piece and under the next piece. And I was using my Shaper Origin for this. You could certainly use a router and an edge guide. I've done that before. But what's unique about this is I wanted to make sure that I could cut this last piece, you'll see in a second here, again, route the groove again accurately, so the piece would go in and there wouldn't be any sort of run out, and the width of the groove would be the same as it was when I first cut it. So you'll see that remaining spot there that's open. We'll cut that again. This is in real time here. And I'm using the shaper to just recut the same groove that I originally did. And of course it's referencing the same tape, so it knows exactly where it is. And you'll see in here in a second. There it is. And so I was able to cut that. It's just as accurate. I'll put a piece in there, and you'll see in a second that completes the basket weave simply by the order of the pieces that I cut. So you'll see this first piece that we cut is this long piece. That was the first piece we cut, or first groove I cut. Then I cut that cross piece so that it would go over the first one. Then I cut the second one there so it would go over that one. And I cut the third long one, you saw that, so it would go over. And then there's that piece that I put in last that I had to cut. So 1, 2, 3, 4, over, under the whole way, basket weave.